YouTube. So you click on YouTube, you make sure it's on. Once YouTube opens, now you will come here to the minimize button. Just click it like that to see which tabs are opening. They are open. So for example, this now the screen you want to have YouTube at the top and another window at the bottom. Just you see where the YouTube icon is, just tap it right here. Once you tap it, it gives you app info, open and split screen view. Click the second one, so it opens like this, and down here you can choose which app you want to add. So for example, right now it's showing me at the top is YouTube. For example, at the bottom I want to open, for example, let's say I want to open browser so that I can continue browsing. I'll open the browser. So you see it's even going to, like right now it's showing you my speed for my internet. Yeah, so you can choose which side you want to have a bigger view. Let's say it's the browser side. You just drag this up here like this. You see it's going to enlarge the browser side and it's going to minimize the YouTube side. If you want to do the opposite, you just drag it down like this. And if you want to close the split screen, for example, you want to continue with YouTube again alone, just drag it to the bottom like this. And that's all.